Inside the all-new 2023 Toyota Supra A91 MT edition. The new Toyota Supra is a car with an interesting history. The model, despite its legendary status as one of the most successful sports cars ever made and namesake for generations to come in Japan, has been discontinued after fourth generation at NJDM era but not anymore. With few compromises added on top due trim levels this time around, enthusiasts might finally enjoy great combination power engineering Japanese style, now more than ever before, simply because they can have it all without compromise like never before. It's a rare occurrence when car companies take their bestsellers and improve upon them. But that is exactly what Toyota did with the fifth generation Supra, taking an already great sports car, making it even better by adding manual transmission options, in addition to its current automatic ones. The A91 Montana we're looking at today has all of these upgrades plus some more goodies stuck inside this well-proportioned package, which will be sure not only please, but also impress any gearhead out there waiting patiently for another high-horsepower toy from Japan, let alone one made right here at home, where innovation always flourishes. People are divided over the new Supra. Some say it has classic looks, while others find its design lacking in distinctiveness and originality compared to other sports cars on sale today, especially with its less than $50K price tag. The consensus seems clear. If you were considering buying one before reading this review, then I would strongly recommend checking out some higher-end examples instead, as they will most likely have better performance abilities too, without costing an arm or leg more than necessary, just because their exterior appearance may be slightly charismatic enough, not require any extensive modification upgrading like additional cooling systems etc. The Toyota Supra may have been a tough sell in the United States, but it's proven to be one of Japan's most successful export cars. The rear end features an intricate and confusing design that is actually well designed. This car comes with parts from both BMW, using their drivetrain, as well as Japanese manufacturer Mazda, and you can tell they were trying something new by combining these two cultures into what has become quite possibly its best looking product yet. The Toyota GT86 is a fantastic car, but its cabin design and quality don't always hold up to scrutiny. That's why the BMW parts in this vehicle are so attractive. They're well designed with high build quality that will last you years of badass driving. You can get either an 2L turbo 4-cylinder engine for 255 horsepower 382 Ns or 3 liters twin turbo 6-pack which makes power going back through your rear wheels via 8-speed automatic transmission. The Supra is a sports car that has been known for its amazing handling and top-notch acceleration ability. When it first came out, people wanted an automatic option, but after demand increased significantly against them providing one, Toyota knew there was commercial potential in giving us what we truly deserve, 6-speed manual gearbox. The manual version of the vehicle will be more expensive than its automatic counterpart, but it also comes with exclusive features that make driving fun and efficient. These include systems to help you shift gears accurately as well optimize performance for up and down shifting by using your human hands. The red logo on this car distinguishes itself from others in terms of ghostliness or advanced technology, so if either is what matters most then take note, only Supra offers both options, for now. The 2023 Toyota Supra is getting better and more attractive by the day. With its new 12-speaker JBL sound system, leather upholstery option and Alcantara gear knob coloration, beautiful tan, as well a choice between white or gray exterior paint jobs for those who opt to purchase this trim pack, it doesn't seem like there will be any letdowns when enthusiasts buy their next high-performance car. Toyota seems to have realized something important with their latest Supra update, as they are now including a manual gearbox option. This is not just for the A91 MT trim, but also on top of it being available only in Japan, where demand has been high enough that dealerships had sold out before releasing this news worldwide. Alongside these upgrades there will be suspension changes and updates made specifically designed around handling qualities which should make any driver happy behind the wheel, no matter how experienced or novice one's driving skills might currently. Supras are known for their incredible handling and crisp transmission. Their enthusiasts want a car that offers the most competent driving experience, something close to how it was originally designed. After all, Supra is about excellent dynamics on the move with an optimized drivetrain and reliable package. Toyota has been rolling strong so far, let's hope they don't lose steam now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe